How to fix invalid destination address in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see your airplane mode. If you turn on your airplane mode, then turn it off. After turn off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on messages app and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here you can enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.